What's up guys, it's Keira here and I'm going to show you how to get this super easy bronzy look using a few of my favorite Beauty Bento eyeshadows and a few new Kaja favorites, including a brand new cheeky stamp. If you want to know how to get this look, keep on watching. I'm going to start with the Beauty Bento Shimmering Eyeshadow Trio in the shade Chocolate Dahlia, and I'm going to go in with this middle shade and I'm going to buff it softly into my crease. This is my favorite transition color and I'm so happy that it's in one of our bentos. Then I'm going to take the deeper brown shade in the shade Chocolate Dahlia and then softly define my crease. Then I'm taking the same dark shade and I'm applying it into my lower lash line as well, but I'm using a flatter precision brush. Then I'm going to take the Beauty Bento eyeshadow trio in the shade Toasted Caramel and I'm going to use this darkest shimmery brown and I'm just going to apply it all over to my lids. Then I'm going to take a pencil brush and take that dark shimmery brown shade and just softly run it underneath my eyes. To clean up my under eye, I'm going to use Don't Settle concealer in the shade number 5 and I'm going to blend that out with a beauty sponge. So now that I have my mascara on, I'm going to put some color back into my complexion and I'm going to start with Cheeky Stamp in the shade Spicy. It's just like a pretty bronzy neutral. I'm just going to stamp on the hearts and then I'm going to blend out. I like using my fingertips to blend Cheeky Stamp just because it's a little bit of a softer blend than using a sponge or a brush. For my highlight, I'm going to be mixing Mochi Glow highlighters in shades Stardust and Luna just to give myself a little bit more of a bronze glow. So I'm going to be using Stardust as more of like a shimmery bronze, and then I'm going to use Luna as more of like my highlight. So I'm taking it all up on to high points of my cheekbones and all the way up into my temples with it. And now I'm going to do the same motion with Luna, except I'm just going to be a little bit more precise with it, focusing on high points of my face and the bridge of my nose. So for my lips, I'm going to be using Two's Company Lipstick and Liner Duo in the shade Daybreak. It's a really pretty earthy brown. So I'm going to lightly line with the pencil side, then fill in the corners with the lipstick side. Then what I like to do is take my concealer, throw it in the center. And you want to do this patting motion just to get rid of that line that we created. And I'm going to lock in my look with just one more hit of setting spray. So this is my complete look. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, leave us a comment. And once again, always continue to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos.